guys, how you guys doing? I'm Troy. My son Alex is behind the camera. Say hi, Alex.
Hey.
We're T&A Adventures, which is Troy and Alex. Not what you guys are probably thinking, but anyway. So I'm gonna do an SCX10 to Cherokee build. So I'm not gonna do an unboxing of this or anything, but my main thing is I want to actually do a build and have it, you know, on camera, put it on YouTube for you guys to check out. I know there's a lot of videos out there on these, but hopefully I can add a little bit more different insights to it and help you out. You know, all the other guys' videos are pretty decent. I've watched them. I'm not going to do an unboxing of this because there's tons of those out there, but basically it's the 2000 Jeep Cherokee SCX10 II. I'm not going to use this body. I'm actually going to use a JK Unlimited Wrangler body, which I have a 1:1 scale one of those, and it's black, and that'll be another video. I'll do all that after this is all built. But anyway, so yeah, I just want to show you what we're building here, and I'm going to go over some things that everything I got that I bought for this kit to actually get it going, because it is a kit. It's not ready to run. They have ready to run kits. They're about $389, I think. This was actually $299, which is the cheapest one I found at my local hobby shop, AreoTech Hobbies in North Canton, Ohio. Haven't found one cheaper than that than $299. So I mean, I was lucky to get such a good deal on that. So you're gonna have to get an electronic speed control, and I did all kinds of research and scouring the internet and YouTube for everything. You know, there's expensive ones, there's cheap ones. So I think I kind of got like the middle of the road one. It's a Hobby Wing Quick Run Crawler brushed, and it's let's see, what's the part number on? I think it's a 1080, but it's supposed to be waterproof. Everybody on RCCrawler.com is a forum. You guys can check that out. They got tons of information on that website, on that forum. They're really good. But this has everything to it. Basically, pull that out. ESC, the battery hookup, the motor leads. That goes to your receiver, on and off switch. It's a real nice, it looks real nice, and everybody raves about it that I've talked to, and a lot of people run it. So has everything you can need: drag, reverse. Comes with this controller that you can tune it to everything you want. I'm not really doing a review on this right now. Maybe later I will. But basically, this was like 41 bucks, I think. On the internet, you look it up. Quick Run 1080 ESC. So basically, that comes with everything you need. Comes with some stickers too. But so you're gonna need an ESC for your build for sure. So ESC, you're gonna need a steering servo, and I got an HD Power, a Power HD servo, and it's let's see, what's the part number on this? An LW-20MG. It's waterproof, all metal gears, and I'm trying to remember what the specs were on this, but it's got a lot of torque on it. I think it'll run 6.6, which this ESC actually has a built-in BEC in it, and it'll go 6.0 or something like that to 7.4, I think. I could be wrong on the numbers, but it'll do that for you. You don't need another BEC for your system. But it's supposed to be real good. The guys on RC Qual recommended this also. So yeah, there's that. You're gonna need that steering servo. Let's see what else we got. Definitely gonna need lipos. It doesn't come with it, and there's tons of these out there. I mean, I don't know what's good, what's bad. It's Electron Pro. This is a 7.4 at 5200 mAh, 35C rate. They seem to be working good. My son, we went out and bought him a Falcon G6, a used one, and we ran it in. We've been running this and that, and it seems to be fine. You get about maybe 40 minutes to an hour runtime on these, I believe. But you know, it's got your balancer plug on it, or you know that, and then definitely want to get a lipo sack. Lipos can be kind of dangerous if you don't monitor them. They don't charge them right. You overcharge them, they can explode, cause fire. So get this. This thing just opens up. Most of you guys know all this stuff, but some people don't. So put it in there, close it, hook it on your charger. And speaking of chargers, I got the Venom Pro Duo. You can charge 2 batteries at one time with this. It comes with a ton of connectors, but it doesn't come with double. So if you want another one of these to connect to your second battery, It does come with connectors that you can splice and solder on your own and make it, and you can charge 2 batteries at one time. Comes with everything you need. It's a digital display. I'm not gonna. There's reviews on this. You guys can check these out, but it was like 95 bucks. So it seems to work real good. It's got everything in there, monitors, everything you need. So we got that. You're gonna need a controller, and I got lucky. I had this one already at the house from another 1/16 scale nitro car I had, but it's a Fly Sky. It's an older one. It's a GT3B, but this I've seen a lot of people using these on their cars, and there's no problem using this. It's a 3-channel, so I got another channel for lights or winch or whatever I want to do. So definitely a receiver. Let's see. You're gonna need some grease, and that's a whole nother subject, but a lot of people, you know, the hobby grease is so expensive for just such a small thing. A lot of people recommend marine grease, and I got the Lucas marine grease. This will last my whole lifetime, I think. For these cars, it'll last forever. So, you know, for the different diffs, the axles, gearbox, anything, you can put this in there. It's waterproof. It'll keep the water out. So that's definitely a must. You want to pick that up before your build. Shock oil. The kit comes with shock oil, but I wanted extra, and I also wanted probably a little bit better shock oil. So this is Team Associated shock oil 30 weight. Also for the shocks, these shocks are known from jump to maybe leak a little bit. You know, they're supposed to be pretty decent shocks, but they will leak. So I went out and got ordered these off the internet. Green slime, Team Associated green slime grease, and I'll do on the build. I'll show you guys about this. This is to help the O-rings from not leaking. Also, I'm going to do like a little mod on the shocks when I do it to make them run smoother. These are Traxxas 7062 rebuild kits. $5.50 on the internet, I think, something like that. But the only thing you're going to need out of these is these blue cups. But we'll do that when we do the shock build. You don't have to buy these. This I recommend, and the shock weight I definitely recommend. But you don't have to do this. But we'll get into that later. One thing I forgot is the servo. The steering servo does come with the horns and stuff in here. They're plastic, so I ordered an extra aluminum steering servo horn for that. So that'll be good. What else we got? Loctite. It comes with Loctite, but it can't hurt to have extra. So definitely want Loctite because a lot of these bolts will come out. So you need Loctite. Oh, let's see. I'll just show you these. You don't need these. It comes with wheels and tires. They're plastic and they're glue-ons. I didn't want to glue my wheels on because my Jeep has these exact same rims. I mean, like to the T. So I was seeing those. I bought them up like 50 bucks on the internet because I'm trying to build a 1/10 scale of my 1:1. But these things are pretty bad. And like I said, they're like almost identical to my stock Big Bear Jeep wheels, Wrangler wheels. So don't have to get those. But if you don't want to glue tires, maybe it's a good idea. Okay, so tools. Man, I need some water. Alright, so got this on the internet. This comes with everything you need. It's Kinexsis. Comes with all the sizes you're going to need to build. Your axle wrenches, rod wrenches, all your sizes here. Alex can probably zoom in on this a little bit if you want. $2 for this. There's more expensive ones, but this seems pretty cool. It's got everything built into here. You just pull this cap off the end, slide it out, and you got your different sizes, little small ones there. Once you put this in here, this is kind of cool feature. Put that back on. So you pull down on this, you can slide it in and stop it. It'll stop at that length. But if you need it shorter for whatever reason, you can put it in and it's shorter. So that's completely adjustable. So I mean, this thing's really nice. 22 bucks. Like I said, there's a lot more expensive kits out there than this kit. But yeah, I thought it was a good deal. If I can get it back in there. There we go. Alright, so you put that back in there, slide her in. So definitely you're going to need something like this. You're going to need your quarter, 3/16, your millimeters, 4 mil, 5 mil. You're going to need this. So that's definitely a must. I got a digital caliper, okay? You don't need this, but I have it because I already had it in the house. So They're all kinds of different metric sizes, bearings. So if you're not sure what part, because they come in a big bag, you can actually take this, measure it, and you'll know what size bearing. 11 mil, 4 mil, 5 mil. So that'll help you figure out what part. Screws, everything. So this is millimeters and standard and mil. So we use a mil in this build, I'm sure. And just various pliers. Nothing special. Just there's a lot of small works, little Phillips screwdriver if you need it, big Phillips flathead. I don't know if I'll need them, but those definitely that knife. What else? I think that's about it as far as what you're gonna need. But like I said, the kit was $2.99, and then I probably have about, I'm just guessing, maybe $5.50 to maybe $5.75 and everything that I bought. And I bought some extra stuff. The body, Alex, where's the Jeep body at? Oh, right here. I'll just show you right now. But we'll do another build on this. But that's the Wrangler body I'm going to build. But like this was $55. You don't need a body because that kit comes with it. But that's just what I wanted to do. You don't need the bead lock wheels. And you don't need the shock rebuild kit, but everything else pretty much you're going to need. So I mean, the big thing with the kit is you get a little bit extra modded parts with it. Better better links, they're thicker, bigger links, four links suspension in there. You just get a couple extra things, like the Jeep Cherokee body comes with all the little extra parts and stuff, like a roof rack. I might incorporate that roof rack actually into my Wrangler. It's just more fun. You build a kit, you're going to know exactly how your truck's running or working. If something breaks, you can be like, oh, that broke, that's nothing. I put it together, I can fix it. And it's fun. So Alex and I, we're going to try and build it together. I'll probably, I'll be in some videos doing it. He'll be in with me. Sometimes he won't be here, but we'll try to have him here most of the time. But anyway, T&A Adventures, we're just starting this. I could give a shout out to Medic, Aaron from RCAdventures. He got me back into this. I used to race when I was like 12, like 30 some years ago. RC10 Associated, raced dirt, carpet, asphalt. Did pretty good. I raced for about a year and I won a championship first year, but then I didn't do it anymore. So I've been out of it since that. And then I started watching Aaron's videos, Medic's videos, and it just sparked. And it's took I've been watching his videos for a couple years, and finally able to get into one, and me and Alex can start doing this together and have some fun, go trailing. But this YouTube site's not going to be just all RC. That's why we just put adventures in there, because we do all kinds of stuff. It might just be building something at the house. We decided we'll throw up a video, show you what we're doing. You guys can laugh at all the hectic stuff that goes on in our videos and our builds and whatever. Maybe, maybe not. You'll meet my wife Vicky, who knows she's kind of camera shy. She don't like this kind of stuff, but she might warm up to it. 3 other kids, Zach, Tori, and Alyssa. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. The next video you see is probably going to be starting out building the first step on the Jeep. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in part 2. This was part 1. See you in a little bit. Thanks.